Hey everyone, this is Tisha with Beautiful Natural Curls, and today I'm going to be showing you the perfect twist out takedown using Shante Oils peanut butter hair oil. Natural separation will occur with the oil, so make sure that you'll just give it a quick shake and all the ingredients will be combined. I'll have a full list in the description box below. Right here I'm showing you the consistency of the oil, and as you can see, it's extremely light and blends perfectly into my skin. So here I am applying some oil to my hands, and then I'm rubbing it in, and then I'm going to apply it to the twist before I start the separation process. This is so important. This will allow for your twist outs not to have frizz, and it will allow for the definition to remain. So here I am, I'm separating it, and as you can see, I'm just unraveling it slowly. I'm not forcing it, I'm not rushing it. And at the base of my twist, I braid it. I'm going to show you guys a full tutorial later, but I want to show you the twist out takedown while I was doing it with the oil. So as you see here, I'm just allowing it to naturally separate, and it took me about 30 seconds, and here it is sped up. The same technique, allowing it to naturally separate, unraveling at the base gently, and making sure that my hands are moisturized before I take down the twist. And that's it. This oil really applied a lot of shine to my hair. My hair felt very moisturized. Even though it has the peanut butter in the oil, it did not have a heavy scent. It was really light, and I really enjoyed the way that it felt on my hair. My hair felt moisturized until I shampooed my hair. So this is oil I would definitely recommend. So here I am just showing you guys how defined that my hair is just by taking the time with your takedown, and just also too how much shine that the oil gave my hair. Now just to jazz up this twist out, I'm just taking a small section, I apply some oil off camera, and I'm just flat twisting my hair back. And that's it. If you guys want a full tutorial, please make sure that you let me know in the comment section below. And also too, I want to take the time to say thank you so much for sending me the oil to try. It was absolutely wonderful. I would highly recommend it. And I'm just taking a hairpin and pinning it back. Make sure you guys follow me on social media. Check the description box below for more information, and have a blessed day. Bye y'all.